5 essential tips to improve your English communication skills. Hey there, this is Go and Learn with Sakshi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some tips to improve your English communication. First things first, let's talk about vocabulary. Having a rich vocabulary is crucial for effective communication. To expand your vocabulary, try reading books, using language learning apps, keeping a vocabulary journal. These strategies will help you learn new words and use them in your everyday conversations. Now let's move on to speaking practice. Regular practice is a key to improving your speaking skills. Consider speaking with native speakers, recording yourself, joining conversation clubs. These activities will give you the opportunity to practice and gain confidence in expressing yourself in English. Listening comprehension is another important aspect of English communication. To enhance your listening skills, try listening to English podcasts, watching movies, paying attention to pronunciation and intonation. This will help you understand different accents and improve your overall communication. Next up, let's talk about grammar and syntax. Clear communication requires a solid understanding of grammar rules. You can improve your grammar by using grammar books, doing online exercises, seeking resources that focus on your grammar. These tools will help you communicate more effectively and avoid common mistakes. Last but not the least, let's discuss about confidence building. Confidence plays a vital role in effective communication. Practice positive self-talk, believe in yourself, and step out of your comfort zone. Start by practicing in low-pressure environments and gradually challenge yourself. With time, your confidence will grow and so will your English communication skills. To sum it up, remember these 5 essential tips: vocabulary building, practice speaking, listen and learn, focus on grammar and syntax, and build your confidence. Start implementing these tips in your daily life and you'll see a significant improvement in your English communication skills. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about improving your English skills. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.